INUMSA ikhala ngokuthi ezinye inkampani zonogada ziqola izisebenzi njengoba zingabanikezi nemihlomulo efana nama-medical aid kanye nemali enikezwa amalungu emndeni uma kwenzeka isisebenzi sidlula emhlabeni.
Today we are marching to the Treasury to raise the challenges that workers are confronted with. This is the industry that is playing a pivotal role in protecting the state assets. We have learned as the union in the council that majority of the employers contracted by the state, they are not paying workers the money that they're supposed to get, including non-compliance on the Provident Fund, the medical aid.
Bathi banqume ukunikela ehhovisi likaMgcinimafa ngoba lezi inkampani ziqashwa umbuso futhi zikhokhelwa yiwo.
What we are expecting the Treasury to do is to make sure that they take action against all security companies that are doing business with government but fail to comply with the collective agreement of the bargaining council.
Bathumele uhlu lwezikhalo.
We demand that they should withhold accountable share or equitable share or conditional grants from organs of state that persist in contracting non-compliant security companies.
Banikeze uMgcinimafa izinsuku eziyisikhombisa ukuba aphendule, uma kungenjalo bazongena emgwaqeni futhi.